Now, in terms of paper currency, money, how should zakah be calculated?
As far as paper currency is concerned, it is interchangeable with gold and silver. We should try and find out the value of your paper currency, and that keeps on changing. We can either evaluate what is the amount of currency that will reach the nisab level, either with the nisab of the gold, that is 85 grams of gold, or the nisab of the silver, that is 595 grams of silver. So we should try and find out what would be the cost of 85 grams of gold in your country, in your currency, or 595 grams of silver in your country, in your currency. Now the difference of opinion that what should we take as nisab? Should we take the nisab of the gold or the silver? Some of the fuqaha say that take the lower limit so that a person gives zakat even though the nisab is low. Some of the fuqaha say that take the nisab which is higher so that that gives advantage to the poor person and need not pay till it reaches the higher level of the nisab. While other fuqaha say that since silver was used as a way of trading in the olden days, so we should take the nisab of the silver and try and find out what is your currency as far as 595 grams of silver is concerned. But this option is left. But if you really want to be more sure, then you can take the lower level of nisab. And normally silver, the rate of silver nowadays, 595 grams of silver is much less than 85 grams of gold. We should see what is the current value. Suppose you're calculating the zakat to be paid at one particular date, whether it be the first of Ramadan, whatever it is. We have to find out what is the value of 595 grams of silver or 85 grams of gold at that time. Now at present in India, the value of 1 gram of gold is approximately 900 rupees. That will be approximately $22, $23 for 1 gram of gold. This rate of silver and gold will change in each country. What is the value in India will change, what's in Dubai, may change in America, may change in UK, and the currencies also keep on fluctuating. In India today, approximately, for 1 gram of gold is approximately 900 rupees. That comes to $20 to $23. That means 85 grams of gold, the nisab level, would be 76,500 rupees, approximately. In dollars, it would be somewhere close to $1,900. If you want to take the nisab level of silver, then 1 kg of silver approximately costs in India 18,000 rupees. That's equal to $450. So 595 grams of silver would cost approximately 10,710 rupees. And in dollars, it will be about $268 approximately. But the rate will change in Dubai, will change in UK, will change in USA. So wherever you're living, you can take any financial magazine, economic magazine, and try and find out the rate, and you can calculate yourself. And if it reaches that level, then you should give zakat. If it's above that also, so 2.5% on whatever savings you have, whatever surplus you have to give that much zakat that year.